Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Understanding the science of losing visceral fat. Effectively, today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about aesthetics, but is crucial for your overall health: losing visceral fat. You might be wondering, what exactly is visceral fat? Well, it's the fat that wraps around your organs, particularly in your abdomen, and it can pose serious health risks if left unchecked. In this video, we'll explore the science behind visceral fat, how it differs from subcutaneous fat, the pinchable fat under your skin, and why understanding this difference is vital for effective weight loss. We'll discuss the factors contributing to visceral fat accumulation, including diet, lifestyle, and genetics. We'll also share practical tips and strategies to help you shed stubborn belly fat effectively. From nutrition hacks to exercise routines, we've got you covered. But why should you care about losing belly fat? Research shows that excess visceral fat is linked to a higher risk of severe health issues, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. By targeting this type of fat, you're improving not just your appearance, but your overall well-being and longevity. So, stick around whether you want to fit into your favorite jeans or feel healthier. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and tools to tackle visceral fat head-on. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The science-based way to lose visceral fat. Effectively, understanding hormones, metabolism, and proven strategies, understanding the science behind losing visceral fat is vital. One of the primary players in this process is hormones. Hormones like cortisol, insulin, and adrenaline significantly influence where your body stores fat. For instance, elevated cortisol levels, often due to stress, can increase visceral fat accumulation. Similarly, insulin resistance can cause your body to store more fat around your abdomen. You can effectively target visceral fat by managing these hormones through lifestyle changes. Now let's discuss evidence-based methods for reducing visceral fat. Research shows that the most effective approach combines a balanced diet and regular exercise. Focus on whole foods rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats, while minimizing processed sugars and refined carbs. Incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength training into your routine can boost your metabolism and promote fat loss. Studies indicate that these methods are particularly effective in reducing visceral fat compared to steady-state cardio alone. However, it's essential to remember that losing visceral fat is not an overnight process. Consistency and patience are crucial. You will see results later, but sticking to healthy habits will pay off in the long run. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. By understanding the science and committing to these evidence-based strategies, you'll be well on your way to effectively losing visceral fat and improving your overall health. Let's embark on this journey together. Lose belly fat faster. One simple change: the power of hydration. If you're looking to lose belly fat faster, here's a straightforward change that can make a significant impact: increasing your water intake. It might sound straightforward, but staying adequately hydrated can be a game changer in your fat loss journey. Many people underestimate the power of water, but it plays a crucial role in metabolism, digestion, and even appetite control. When you drink enough water, your body functions more efficiently. Proper hydration helps your metabolism run smoothly, allowing you to burn calories more effectively. Additionally, drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller, which may lead to reduced calorie intake. Studies have shown that people who drink water before meals consume fewer calories overall, making creating a calorie deficit necessary for fat loss easier. Moreover, hydration aids in flushing out toxins and reducing bloating, making your belly appear slimmer almost immediately. Over time, this simple change can lead to significant results, especially when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. So how can you implement this change? Start by aiming for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, and consider carrying a reusable water bottle to remind yourself to sip throughout the day. You can also infuse your water with fruits or herbs for added flavor. We encourage you to adopt this hydration habit today. Not only will you feel more energized and focused, but you'll also be taking a crucial step toward losing that stubborn belly fat. Cheers to a healthier you. Exercise versus diet for losing belly fat. Finding the right balance. The age-old debate of exercise versus diet often arises regarding losing belly fat. Both play crucial roles in fat loss, but understanding their effectiveness can help create a more targeted approach. Research indicates that while diet is responsible for about 70 to 80% of weight loss, exercise is essential for maintaining that weight loss and improving overall health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who combined diet and exercise lost more belly fat than those who focused on just one. So what does this mean for you? It highlights the importance of a balanced approach. Relying solely on exercise without addressing dietary habits can lead to limited results. Conversely, cutting calories without incorporating physical activity can slow your metabolism and lead to muscle loss. To effectively target belly fat, consider specific dietary choices and exercises. On the dietary side, focus on fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods keep you full longer and help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings. Additionally, incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts can support fat loss. Regarding exercise, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength training are efficient for burning belly fat. HIIT workouts can boost your metabolism and burn calories even after you've finished exercising, while strength training helps build muscle, increasing your resting metabolic rate. In conclusion, for optimal results in losing belly fat, embrace a balanced approach combining diet and exercise. This synergy will help you shed those extra pounds and promote a healthier lifestyle. The number one thing stopping you from losing belly fat: how to lose it effectively. Overcoming common barriers. If you're struggling to lose belly fat, you're not alone. Many people face common barriers that can hinder their progress, both psychological and physical. One of the most significant psychological factors is the mindset of instant gratification. In our fast-paced world, we often expect quick results, and when we don't see immediate changes, it can lead to frustration and giving up. On the physical side, factors like hormonal imbalances, stress, and lack of sleep can significantly impact your ability to lose fat. So how can you overcome these barriers? First, shift your mindset. Instead of focusing solely on the scale, celebrate small victories, like fitting into jeans or feeling more energetic. Setting realistic, achievable goals can help you stay motivated. For example, aim to lose 1-2 pounds per week rather than expecting drastic changes overnight. Next, address the physical factors. Prioritize sleep by establishing a consistent bedtime routine, as poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation into your daily routine to help manage cortisol levels, which can contribute to belly fat accumulation. Lastly, stay focused on your goals by tracking your progress. Consider keeping a journal to document your meals, workouts, and feelings. This can help you identify patterns and stay accountable. Remember, losing belly fat is a journey that requires patience and persistence. By recognizing and addressing these barriers, you'll be better equipped to achieve your goals and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Stay motivated. You've got this. 8 most efficient ways to lose fat. Effective strategies for lasting results. If you want to shed some fat, you're in the right place. Here are 8 efficient strategies that combine dietary, exercise, and lifestyle changes to help you achieve your goals. 1. Prioritize protein. Incorporating more protein into your diet can boost metabolism and reduce appetite. Protein requires more energy to digest, which means you burn more calories. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can increase your metabolism by 30% for about 30 minutes. Plus, it helps control hunger, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. This exercise method alternates between short bursts of intense activity and rest. Studies show that HIIT can burn more fat in less time than traditional cardio. 4. Strength training. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased cravings and weight gain. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 6. Mindful eating. Attention to what and when you eat can help you recognize hunger cues and prevent overeating. Try to eat without distractions and savor each bite. 7. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugars and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to fat gain. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense food. 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that promote fat storage, especially around the belly. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation into your routine. Choose the methods that resonate with your lifestyle and preferences. Consistency is critical. Small changes can lead to significant results over time. You've got this. We emphasize the effectiveness of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength training in boosting metabolism and promoting fat loss. Additionally, we discussed lifestyle factors like getting enough sleep, managing stress, and practicing mindful eating, which are crucial in your fat loss journey. Now that you have these actionable strategies, it's time to take charge. Remember, the key to success lies in consistency and making choices that fit your lifestyle. Start small, implement 1 or 2 changes at a time, and gradually build on your progress. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Consider sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.